Now, let us recap on the properties of the image under the different types of objective lenses. For the low power objective lens, or the 4 times objective lens, it magnifies the object up to 4 times, so the image is smaller or less magnified, but it allows us to observe a larger or wider field of view of the object, meaning that the image is more zoomed out. For the medium power objective lens, or the 10 times objective lens, the image is more magnified now and larger, however the field of view is smaller or more zoomed in compared to the 4 times objective lens. Lastly, for the high power objective lens, or the 40 times objective lens, the image is most magnified and is very large compared to the other 2 objective lenses. However, the field of view now is much smaller as the object has now been magnified more, and so the image is much more zoomed in than before, and you can observe less cells as compared to the images under the other 2 objective lenses.